Hello everyone, my name is Priya Singh. I am the maths teacher of class 2. Today we are going to start with the chapter subtraction up to 100. Under this topic, we are going to learn parts of subtraction, checking subtraction with addition, subtraction of two-digit numbers without and with regrouping. Let's start with parts of subtraction. Here I have taken one example. Subtract 23 from 36. So, we always know when we start subtraction, we start it from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. So, subtracting 3 from 6, 3, and subtracting 2 from 3 is 1. Now let's see the different parts of subtraction. The number from which we are subtracting is known as minuend, and the number which we are subtracting is called subtrahend, and the result which we are getting after subtraction is called difference. Now let's see the next topic, checking subtraction with addition. Here the formula is difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Let's check it with an example. Here I have taken one example, subtract 25 from 68. So first let's do the subtraction. 5 minus 8, it's 3. Now when we subtract 2 from 6, we get 43. So this we had done subtraction. Now let's check it with the help of our formula. So according to our formula, we have to add the difference and the subtrahend. So this is our subtrahend, this is difference. So when we add these two numbers, we should get minuend. So now let's add it up. So when we add 5 and 3, we get 8, and when we add 2 plus 4, we get 68. So you can see that the answer which we get adding these two numbers is equal to the minuend. Now the next topic is subtraction of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Here we have taken one example, 87 and 24. Means subtract 24 from 87. As we know, we always do subtraction from the right hand side. So we will subtract the digit under the ones column. 4 minus 7. So what is the value? 3. Now when we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. So 63. Here you can see that we don't need to do any regrouping. Means we have subtracted 7 ones minus 4 ones. So when we subtract 4 ones from 7, we got 3 ones. Now when we go to the tens column, there is 8 tens minus 2 tens. So when we subtract 2 tens from 8 tens, we get 6 tens. So we have written 6 in the tens place. So 63 is the answer. Now let's see subtraction of two-digit number with regrouping. And again I have taken one example. We have to subtract 18 from 75. Now let's check the digit at the ones place. The digits are 5 and 8. Since we can see that 8 is bigger than 5 and we can't subtract 8 from 5, so we need to regroup it. or we need to borrow it. So we can write this 7 tens. This 7 tens can be written as 6 tens plus 1 10. So we will reduce this 7 to 6. And now we can take this 110 to ones place and we can write this 110 plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. Now, since 15 is bigger than 8, we can subtract it. So when we subtract 8 from 15, we get 7. So when we subtract 15 ones minus 8 ones, we get 7 ones. Now let's move to the next tens column. So here we can see 6 tens is there and 1 10. So here 1 is smaller than 6 and we can easily subtract it. So we'll subtract 6 tens minus 1 10. The answer is 5 tens. So we'll write this 5 in the place of tens. So 57 is the answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you and have a good day.